So guys, look at these curls. I just applied gel and wow. Look at the curls. Hello guys, how are you? Hello there. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Linnah Kingori. If this is your first time watching my videos, I'm welcoming you with a very nice heart. Please welcome and stay. So as you saw the title, today we are going to do our hair, which is a little mixed type of hair. Mine, as for me, I have dreadlocks and I did them like a week ago. So I'm just going to spray it and just treat it a little. So we are also going to do my little sister's hair. She have a very nice hair which is not curly. It's a little bit curly. It's a little bit African. Oh my god, what am I even saying? It's all African. Like, it's such a nice hair which is soft but curly type of hair. It detangles sometimes but it's soft. How is that? Am I making sense? So karibu and let's go. So this is Sophie's hair. Sophie, say hi.
Hi.
Smile. Sophie, smile and say hi.
Hi.
She's a little bit shy. She's a camera shy. So she was trying to do her hair and I can see she did a very nice job. And I don't know what I will do to this hair, but I will try and see what I can do because she have a very nice hair. So I don't want to put heat on her hair because that will just ruin her scalp. So I'll come up with a way of making it so that she can end up looking cute. Oh, Salim, there you are. Say hi.
Hi.
So I will also shave Salim here, but I will just shave it on the sides. I'm not that pro, like I'm not a professional, but I will try my best. So I'll just shave here and I will wipe here with some, I will just wash it, not wipe. I will just wash it here and I will put some gel on it and see how it will go. So Najib's hair is a little, oh my god, Najib's hair, it's Kalahari desert type of hair. This hair is hard. This hair is hard like, I don't know, it's like a steel wool. It's like a scissors. I cannot even describe his hair. His hair is the most hardest hair I have ever seen. He have real African hair. So I'm just going to shave him. I don't know what I will do since he doesn't like when I shave him kabisa, but I will try and see what I will do. So guys, let's go. By the way guys, I'm doing this on my living room and as you can see, I have removed the carpet. So because I don't want the hair to be all over the place. Yeah, those ones are KK toys in that corner. I'll just make a video for my room tour. Maybe, I don't know when, but I will definitely one day. So I just removed the carpet and we are going to do our thing in that corner. Yeah, just in that corner. Okay, so guys, let's go. This is the products that I'm using. Baby Love. This one I'm using to moisturize the hair, and I'm also using this gel to make Haji's hair, and the pink lotion goes very well with his hair, and olive oil to make it smell good and to stay moisturized. So let's go, guys. With Baby Love, you can apply it on the hair and you can also apply it on his skin. Yeah.
And this one, mommy?
For skin and hair here. Look at these curls. I just applied gel and wow. Look at the curls. Wow. This is a pink lotion for natural hair, so this one makes his hair look wonderful, guys. Guys, look at this. It's so wonderful, so clean, so shiny. Wow, I love this boy's hair. Like, his hair is something else. Look at it. Let me bring you close. Look at his hair. Oh, ouch, my camera. Let me see the sides, baby. Yeah. I don't know, I cannot see it there because of the lighting is on the other side. Wow. Okay, look at me. Look at the camera. Wow. His hair is wonderful, guys. So now we are going to make Sophie's hair. Okay, hello guys. We took a little break and we took shower, of course, and now I'm back and I'm doing my sister's hair. So her hair is very detangled, like you can see. Yeah, I have washed it already, and now I have what? Okay, and now I want to apply some gel and do some settings, and I will see how it will go. So I just want to set it like this, you know, you see the sides and the other side. This is how I want to do it, and around here it will be, I will make it to be like clocks somehow. Yeah, something like that. So enjoy.
A few moments later.
Actually did a study on how robots could freak you out or could make you calming and more happy.
It was basically the reaction to the
Still jingle.
robot that just, kind of bars it up. Does the person want the robot to zoom out and then almost hit them? Or do they want the robot to go slow? Or do they want it to be somewhere in the middle? The volunteers in the video, I think, definitely preferred the one that was more calm and slow. If it was moving like...
Kailuka sa mata video
They're like, okay, it looks like it's taking its time trying to find something. Yeah.
It's moving fast.
So today as I told you, I have so many things to do, and I'm going to take you guys along with me, and I'm going with my son. First thing first, I'm going to do my nails. Your girl has not done her nail for a while, almost 2 months now, and they are looking horrible. In the nail parlor, I'll head to the office because I have some errands to run, and after the office I will take my son to Kenya National Theatre